To install the shade sail, start with the 4 corners. Fasten the corner bracket, aligning it with the top 2 inner holes, and repeat on all 4 corners of the pergola. Then attach the shade sail on all 4 corners and tighten the straps evenly. For the side brackets, align them with the middle straps on the shade sail and fasten the brackets with 2 screws. Then attach and tighten the straps evenly. Wrapping the excess strap around itself, as shown, will give it a cleaner look.